In this video, you'll learn how to send learner data via email in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. First, open your source file and articulate Storyline 360. Create 3 variables. Using group icon. First, add username and set it to text to store the learner's name. Click OK to save. Next, add course name, also text, to hold the course title. Click OK. Finally, create score% as a number to track the learner's score. Click OK. On the results slide, create a button labeled Send Email. Add a new trigger by selecting Execute JavaScript. Paste the provided code into the JavaScript editor. First, username. This captures the learner's name entered in the course. Second, course name. This stores the name of the training or module being completed. Third, score%. This retrieves the learner's final score as a percentage. To email, this specifies the primary recipient of the email, the person who will receive the completion details. CC email. This adds another recipient in carbon copy, allowing additional stakeholders to receive the same email for tracking or record purposes. It creates a subject line that reads, Training Completion, followed by the course name. This step builds the email body with learner details and message content. If required, the body text can be easily modified based on our needs. Click OK to save the JavaScript. This trigger will execute when the user clicks the Send Email button. You can publish the course and test it. Enter your name and start the course. On the results slide, clicking the Send Email button will open the course summary email box automatically. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.